Hi, my name is Alex. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have done a sunset look with the Cloud Beauty trend, and if you want to see how I got to this look, please keep watching. I'm just pulling my hair back for now because it looks like a mess anyways, so. Anyways, I'm gonna be starting off with this. It is new, but I've been seeing it and I've been wanting to try it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, holy God, that's a lot of product. Sorry. That's weird. I have like a weird thing with like smelling stuff. It's a comfort thing. I don't know. Now that we've primed, I'm gonna go ahead and do the eye look just to be safe with myself. So if I do mess it up, I don't mess up anything that I do on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows real quick and then we'll just get straight into the eye look. So what I wanna kinda do is do like a sunset. I am just gonna start off with this orange right here. So I'm gonna go in with this one right here. I'm pretty sure I got this from 5 and Below. Don't buy your makeup from there, it's a bad idea. I'm gonna go in with this right here, this red, and see where we go from there. Now I'm gonna take a little bit more of the orange. So I want it to blend out, but I also want, like, I want to be able to see the colors, you know what I mean? Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. I'm gonna try to go for this purple right here. And I'm gonna put that like directly where I've been putting everything else. Now, for the kind of hard part, I'm gonna take this yellow right here and I'm gonna try to blend that up top more to give it a little more color. Just taking a fluffy brush. Now we're about to go to cut crease and I'm going to go get a makeup wipe so I can fix this. Okay, crease is cut. So I am going to take this orange. I want a really nice like gradient into the cut crease, and then I'm going to like take a shimmer and then put that on my lid. Now I'm going to take a flatter brush like this one so I can really get in there. Okay, so now I'm going to take this color right here, that one, and I'm going to put that on my lid. And I am gonna add liner, I believe. I feel like that could really pull it together as well with the wing, I guess. Okay, now I am going to do my foundation and my concealer and my powder. Then we will start with the face look, which is gonna be the clouds, which is gonna be fun. So, be right back. So, I am going to be taking this and I'm just gonna use it as a base, basically. Haha, basically.
Why are you the way that you are?
I am gonna go in with this palette right here. Well, let's do this one. I think that one should work just fine. It doesn't look crazy on camera because it's kind of washing me out a bit, but maybe I should do some pink. Let's do pink. Fun, 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 fun. Okay, so now I am gonna take big ol' white pencil to kind of draw out where I want the clouds, and then I'm going to take this. It's the only thing I could find that had like a cream white in it, and I'm gonna use that to kind of blend it out. taking an angled brush. You cannot see it very much, but I think that's kind of the point though, is to not be, it's supposed to be something that's just kind of like there, you know? But anyways, what I am doing is making like a little hump, and then another one, and then taking from the last spot, just kind of flicking it out, and then I am taking the rest of, or I guess the product, and kind of dragging it down a little bit. So yeah, that looks like a cloud. Now I'm gonna add one right here. I think this is a really dope trend. I love when stuff like this comes up, like on Instagram and stuff, because it's just so, it's so cute and it's so inspirational and creative. Oh, that was my throat. I think it's cute. It's super cute. Okay, so I'm going to do underneath my eyes. Basically, I'm just gonna take those same colors that I used up top, blend them out, and then we'll go to lips. It's still just like... Okay, so now I'm going to, now that I've done this and got everything under my eyes, I am going to put some eyeliner on. I'm gonna do my lashes and my lips, and then we'll be right back, and then we'll be done. Here is the finished look of the cloud beauty trend. I actually really like it. I usually don't do like trendy stuff because I usually just don't have the stuff for it. But if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. And thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.